on, guys? Here at SeaWorld's, I almost said San Antonio. Here at SeaWorld Orlando. I'm just getting a construction update of Icebreaker real quick. We looked in there earlier. It doesn't look like they got any trains on the track yet. I think they're still working on putting the track together. Not sure though. They could be finished with the track already, but I don't see any trains on the track. I saw some people over there. They were working on something. Not sure what they're working on. But so now, what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go ahead and cut the video off. I'm going to show you some more shots. I'm going to do that right now. That part looks like it's pretty much done. So yeah, what I was saying earlier about them testing, yeah, they're not doing any of that today. And then, that'll pretty much be it. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this construction update of Icebreaker from SeaWorld Orlando. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment what you think the best part of Icebreaker is going to be. Until next time, guys, we're all clear and out of here.